Hey there, future eye experts. Let's talk about why things far away might just be a bit fuzzy for you. It's all about myopia. Myopia, or nearsightedness, is when your eyes can't focus on distant objects. This happens because the eyeball is too long, or the cornea is too curved, causing light to focus in front of the retina instead of on it. In a correct eye, the light rays do converge at the retina to form the image. But in this defect, the light rays converges before the retina, and the image used to form in front of the retina and makes the image blur. Why does this happen? Well, blame your genes. If your parents are nearsighted, you might be too. Plus, conditions like diabetes or even a cataract can lead to myopia. So, how do you know if you're nearsighted? Common signs include squinting, headaches, and struggling to read things from afar. But don't worry. A simple fix is using glasses or contacts with diverging lenses to help those light rays hit the right spot on your retina. And there you have it. Nearsightedness explained in a nutshell. Keep your eyes sharp, be with Homey Institute. See you next time.